Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your best. So, let's get started with our chapter again. That is chapter 6, Geometrical Shapes. So, kids, let's first deal with plane shapes. Kids, plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface, such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So, it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. बच्चों, प्लेन शेप वे होते हैं जिसे हम फ्लैट सरफेस पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। प्लेन सरफेस की लंबाई और चौड़ाई, लेंथ और ब्रेथ को निकाल करके हम इसको मेजर करते हैं, नापते हैं। स्क्वायर। A square has 4 sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has 4 vertices. बच्चों, स्क्वायर में 4 साइड्स और 4 वर्टिसेस होते हैं। वर्टिसेस को कॉर्नर भी कहते हैं। बच्चों, स्क्वायर के जो चारों साइड्स होते हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं। रेक्टेंगल। A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has 4 vertices. बच्चों, स्क्वायर की तरह ही रेक्टेंगल में भी 4 साइड्स और 4 वर्टिसेस होते हैं, बट स्क्वायर के चारों साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं जबकि रेक्टेंगल के अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं। ट्रायंगल। A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 vertices और corners. बच्चों, ट्रायंगल के 3 साइड्स और 3 वर्टिसेस होते हैं। सर्कल। A circle has no vertices. It is a closed loop. Now kids, what do you mean by straight line? Straight line means a line that does not have bends. बच्चों, स्ट्रेट लाइन वो होता है जो कहीं से मुड़ा ना हो, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हो, सीधा हो। एंड ऑल्सो द शॉर्टेस्ट लाइन जॉइनिंग एनी 2 points. Here you can see these 2 points are at the same distance. So, can you say which is the shortest line? Is this the shortest line? Is this the shortest line? No, this is the shortest line. Yes. So, we can also say a straight line is the shortest line joining any 2 points. Okay kids, now see here. You can see many lines. Kids, can you see any common thing in these lines? Yes, all these lines have some bends or curves. You can see curves on these lines. Is it a straight line? No, never. Because it has some bends or curves on it. So, these lines which are not straight and have some bends are called what we call? Yes, they are called curved lines. So, what is a curved line? The line which has some curves, we call it a curved line. And also the line which is not straight, we call it a curved line. So kids, let's move to our next topic, that is solid shapes. Solid shapes have 3 measurements: length, breadth and height. So, a solid shape is also known as 3-dimensional or 3D shape. Some of the shapes of solids are cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone, etc. Look at the shape of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. Look at the objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have a shape of a cylinder. Children, now take a look at the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. Now, let's learn about rolling and sliding objects. In this module, we will learn which objects can roll and which can slide. Let's differentiate between rolling and sliding. Kids, objects with flat surface will slide, like a book, box, chessboard, scale and mobile phone, etc. Objects that are round will roll, just like ball, candle, orange, etc. Ball rolls. Box slides. Take the objects that will roll. Take the objects that will slide. Take the objects that will roll. Take the objects that will slide. Okay kids, that's all for today. Do more practice. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.